In this video, we'll demonstrate how to convert images to PDF on your iPhone, providing you with a versatile way to save and share your visual content. But before we dive into the process, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to create PDFs from your images, and please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us create better content for you. Let's get started. Imagine you have a collection of images on your iPhone that you want to save as a PDF, whether it's just one image or a series of them. I'll show you a simple method to achieve this. First, open your Photos app and select the images you wish to convert into a PDF. You can choose a single image or multiple images. Once you've made your selection, tap the share icon located in the corner of your screen. Scroll down the share options until you find Print. Tap on Print to proceed. On the following screen, you'll see a preview of your selected images. Instead of printing, we're going to save them as a PDF. Tap the share icon again. A Save to Files option will appear. Tap Save to Files to continue. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the location to save your PDF. You can select iCloud Drive or any other destination that suits your needs. After choosing your location, tap Save. To locate your newly created PDF, open the Files app on your iPhone. If you can't find it easily, use the search function in Files and look for the PDF you just created. You can easily share the PDF using the share icon within the Files app, or keep it saved on your iPhone for future use. This PDF will contain your selected images in the order you chose. That's it! You've successfully transformed your images into a PDF file, ready to be shared or stored on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more valuable content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and valuable resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.